Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about 5 things that you can do with a $1 foam board. You can use a white piece of $1 foam board to bounce your light or reflect it and make it more soft. You can use it as a bounce with the sun to light up your subject or character. You can use a black piece of foam board as barn doors to cut out unwanted light. You can use it as a white background for product photography and videos. And finally, you can use it as a table out in the field when you're setting up your gear so you don't lose it or get it dirty. Well, that's it for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.